Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version Math, Measurement Chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 22. An amount of taka 7,200 is spent to cover the floor of a room by carpet. An amount of taka 576 would be saved if the breadth were 3 meters less. What is the breadth of the room? So the length and breadth of the floor is not given, but suppose length of the floor equals to x meter. Breadth equals to y meter. Therefore, area equals to multiply length and breadth xy. The unit will be meter into meter, square meter. And when the breadth will be 3 meters less, length will remain same. So when breadth equals to y minus 3 meter, area will be equals to x into y minus 3 square meter. Question says, for xy square meter, total spent 7,200. For xy square meter, expenditure was 7,200 taka. We need to put this amount or taka on the right because we have to find how much money actually spent when breadth is 3 meters less. So we put the amount of money on the right and the square meter on the left. We'll apply unitary method, and it is easy to find expenditure of any square meter. So 1 square meter expenditure was 7,200 divided by xy taka. We have to always write for 1 square meter and for, now it is easy to find for the changed area, that is x into y minus 3 square meter. Expenditure was, just multiply 7,200 into x into y minus 3, and there was a xy here, and unit will be taka. So if we simplify, get rid of x and get rid of x, what remains? 7,200 into y minus 3, and here remains y, and unit is taka. Now question says the expenditure was 576 taka less when the breadth was less. according to question, for x into y minus 3 square meter expenditure was 576 taka less. So 7200 minus 576 equals to how much? 6624. 6624 taka. Can we write this amount that was for x into y minus 3 square meter? This amount equals to 6624? Yes. Therefore, we can write 7200 into y minus 3. This amount equals to 6624. 7200 into y minus 3 over y equals to 6624. So multiply both sides by y. What we get? We get 7200 into y minus 3 equals to 6624y. You can write here multiplying both sides by y. So can we get the value of y from here? Yes. So next step, we just simplify this part. 7200y minus 21600. 3 into 00, 3 into 00, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 7, 21. So equals to 6624y. 6624y. Therefore, we can write 7200. Put y on left side. So 7200y minus 6624y equals to, bring it on the right side and it will be positive, 21600. 21600. Therefore 576y equals to 21600. From here we get value of y. Y equals to 37.5, and the unit will be meter, and y is breadth. The question asking what is the breadth. So we found the answer. Therefore, breadth equals to 37.5 meter. Answer 37.5 meter. Allah Hafiz, everyone.